Hi there, Zebulon Thomas here for Glidecam Industries. I'm going to show you how to assemble your Glidecam camera stabilizer. It doesn't matter which camera stabilizer you get, they all pretty much assemble the same. Let's take a look at what we got here. We have our Glidecam head, your Glidecam central post with gimbal already assembled, your Glidecam base platform. Over here we have our Glidecam black bolts, and we have 12 counterweights. Also, it comes with rubber washers and nuts. Alright, so let's assemble your Glidecam camera stabilizer. So what you want to do is take your Glidecam central post and your Glidecam head and screw them together. Just like this. It goes on there real easy. Just twist it around. Then you want to take your base platform, screw it to the bottom of the central post. Just like that. Boom. Now, if it looks like this and it's a little bit off-centered, you go down here to your adjustment knob. This adjustment knob right here should only be tightened by hand. You loosen that up a little bit. This will drop. This allows your central post to extend. What we're going to do right here is we're just going to line it up right about there, and then we're going to want to tighten that. Remember not to over tighten the adjustment knob and only do it by hand. Right now you want to take your black counterweight bolts and you're going to put your rubber washers on the bolts. Just kind of push them down on there. Just like that. Now just flip your Glidecam over and place the black counterweight bolts onto the base platform. From here, we're going to flip it back over. Let those sit just like that. And now we're going to select our counterweights and we're going to slide those right on top of those bolts. From here, you're going to want to take your camera mounting screws and tighten them onto the counterweights. So now that your Glidecam is assembled, you're ready to attach your camera, set your drop time, and adjust for balance.